A lively recording circulated on Telegram social media on Tuesday, the 3rd of July 2023. The footage shows the brutal actions of Russian mercenaries in the Bakhmut direction. A group of Russian mercenaries moved forward shelling the enemy positions. Apart from that, they were also seen removing the Ukrainian flag from the monument, then he raised their pride flag. As seen in the footage, it doesn't stop there, they also very bravely burned down the Ukrainian flag. Until now, there has been no official statement from the Ukrainian Ministry of Defense. Until this video circulated, various comments were made by netizens.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!